type of sentence? It is, it is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means you have to see the meaning of the word interrogate. You might have seen some movies, okay, the police are coming and interrogating someone. He is interrogating someone. What is that meaning? Meaning the police is asking questions. Ask questions. So interrogative sentence means the sentence which is going to ask question. So let us see some examples. There are again type of sentences. Interrogative sentences. These are the sentences going to ask something. Ask something. Yes or no? Ask something. Something to you. Something to you. So in that we have few types again. First one is do questions, do form questions or yes or no type question. Yes or no type question. Or also we call it as do form question. Do form question. What is this do form question? When you ask a question, the answer will be either yes or no. The answer for this, yes or no. Are you coming to join Gurudeva Academy? Based on his interest, the student is going to reply either yes or no to this question. So this is called as yes or no type question or do form questions. How to form them, how to use all these words here, that we will learn in the upcoming classes. And in the second part in that is a WH question. WH question. What is this WH question? Here one WH word will be there. It may be an interrogative pronoun or it may be an interrogative adjective. Example, where are you? Where are you? So the boss is asking assistant saying that, where are you now? Where are you now? So like that. So this word is a WH word. Here he is going to ask the location of that person. Location of that person. Means what? A person should reply with a phrase or a sentence or a clause, we say. So this is called as WH question. You should know what kind of sentence is this. Next, in interrogative only, there is a third type of question called as question tag. Question tag. What is this question tag? You will have a question based on this type of question tag. That means somebody is, I am teaching English. I am declaring something. I am teaching English. I am not teaching Konglish. Okay? I am teaching English. Here, I am going to reconfirm my statement. So what I am doing? Am I doing properly? Yes or no? Like that. So I am going to re-question this one or recheck my statement itself. So here I am going to use a question tag. A tag attached to this statement, attached to this declarative sentence. Here am is there. So then you have to use, if it is a positive statement, you have to make it negative question tag. Negative question tag. If there is a pronoun, already there is a pronoun, use the same pronoun here. Otherwise, you have to use a respective pronoun for the proper noun. And if a helping verb is there, use the same helping verb, exception, with one exception, that is am and am not. Example, if it is a positive statement, you have to do is negative, then you have to use aren't I. This is the exception. They may ask you in the exam. Okay. I am teaching English. Aren't I? That is the question tag. Next. So the main third type sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What is this? This sentence is going to request, order something, order or someone, order someone. A kind of request and order someone. Whenever your lecturer, if he is pissed off with your disturbance in the class, he is going to tell you, don't talk. He will order you. What? Don't talk. Don't disturb my class. Don't talk. Here, you is understood. You is omitted here. Yes or no? Subject you is there, but it is omitted in the imperative sentences. This is understood. You don't talk. It's like that. You don't talk. So here it is a negative imperative. What is this? Negative. Again, type of imperative. Negative imperative. Let me give a positive imperative example. Whenever your lecturer suggests you, do your homework regularly. Do your homework regularly. So here, through this, the person is suggesting you something. He is giving you a suggestion, and in a positive sense. What is this? Positive imperative. Positive imperative. Positive imperative. Next, a type of sentence, the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. What is this sentence? The sentence is going to tell us strong feelings. Strong feelings. Express strong feelings. Okay. Example. Wow. Wow. RCB won the cup. Wow. RCB won the cup. Like this, there will be a statement. Or what a beautiful recording room. I am so excited to see this room. What a beautiful recording room. So this is the beautiful, and everything is there. So well set up. So what a beautiful. So I am so excited to see the digital board and the recording setup here. So I am going to surprise. Okay. What a beautiful recording room. Like this. This is called as exclamatory sentences. So like this, I have taught you what are the major types of sentences in this session. So I hope you understood. Can I ask you some questions? Okay, let me ask you some questions. Can you please give me an example related to negative imperative? Negative imperative. Can anyone give me? Can you give me one example? No? Try one. Negative imperative. A kind of request or order. Okay. Negative means don't talk. Okay, like that. So I am going to say you don't talk. Don't do that. Always your father, your mother always telling you in the house, don't do this, don't do that, like that. So those are the imperative sentences. Those are the imperative sentences. So how to do them, how to form those sentences, that we'll learn in the upcoming classes. Every day you have to learn at least 1% of English. Whatever that percent you want to learn, 100% if you want to learn at least 1%. At least I am talking 1%. Take that daring step and learn today what is a type of declarative sentence, what is assertive sentence, what is imperative sentence, what is exclamatory sentence, what is interrogative sentence, what is yes or no type sentence, what is WH question, what is question tag. Keep learning these sentences because you will be asked in the exam. Let us take a few examples. I am teaching English. Okay. Here I have taken a sentence with respect to a declarative sentence. Okay. Now let us check what is the part of this speech. There is a speech, yes or no? I am speaking and I am telling you, I am teaching English. Okay. So what is this then? What is this I in this? What is this am? Why they are using only am here? Why is not coming? Okay. So that you are going to learn in the upcoming classes. So these are called as parts of speech. Parts of speech. Very, very important topic. We'll start with noun. Okay, kinds of noun. What is noun? Do you know what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, things, idea. Idea means a kind of notion that you cannot touch, that you cannot see. These are the idea. Example, why you are here? Why all are you here? You are jobless. Yes or no? There is a poverty. Oh, poverty. If you are rich, why you are here? No, there is no reason to be here. So there is poverty. Yes or no? That is a abstract notion. Abstract notion. That is called as abstract noun. So we are going to study parts of noun in the upcoming class. Parts of noun. Parts of noun. If you know one, please let me know. Comment in the comment section. What is a noun and types of nouns? What is first one? Anyone? Okay. First one is proper noun. The noun given, a name given to the person, the animal or the place, the proper name. So you have to identify in your exam which is the proper noun. Example, if I take one example, I am in Dharwad right now. Can you please tell me which is the proper noun in this? Proper noun in this. Can anyone tell me what is the proper noun in this? Proper noun in this? This is the proper noun. Name of the city. Proper city name is Dharwad. Next one is, what is the next one? Next type of sentence. Anyone? Common. Common noun. Common noun. Okay, I don't know your name. So I call you as boys. Okay, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋರನ್ನ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋರನ್ನ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. Yes or no? So I give you proper name. Common. I call you as boys. Yes or no? Or girls. This is called as common noun. Called as common noun. Next one is collective noun. So very, very important. Collective noun. You are going to have a question related to this collective noun. Very, very important. So most of you are preparing for army. Yes or no? Army. Okay. A group of soldiers. Group of soldiers. Have you heard some other words like crowd? Crowd. See, you can see a large crowd here. Preparing for competitive exam. Preparing for competitive exam. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun. The noun which can't be touched or smelt. Okay. Those are the notion. Those are the notion. Example, kindness, kindness, happiness, poverty, poverty. Okay. Poverty. Like this. Poverty. So here you are going to see the types of nouns in your classes. Let me take the next page. Okay. Again, let me continue with the types of nouns. Next one is material noun. What whatever material that you are seeing here, okay, it is the stylus pen in my hand, okay, pen is a material, okay. What else? We can go on simplifying nouns here. Example, countable nouns. So I can count the curtains here, I can count the lights here, okay. I can count the cameras here, yes or no? Cameras, can count them. Uncountable, which you cannot count. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means you can't count them. Example, stars. You can count. We can give a number of examples. Next is singular noun. Very, very important. How many numbers are there in English? How many numbers are there? There are only 2 numbers. What are those? Don't know? Singular number and plural noun, okay. So when I say boy, a singular boy, okay. When I say boys, I have to write like this, okay. If a word ending with, this is a small topic again, if a word ending with y followed by consonant an vowel, then you have to add only yes to this, okay. Like this we are going to see types of pronouns. Second major parts of speech is pronoun. What is a pronoun? Anyone? Pronoun. It is a word used instead of a noun. The word used instead of a noun. Very, very important. So if you learn pronoun, then only you can write proper sentences in your exam. Sorry. Let me just make it clear a bit. Okay. Noun and pronoun. So noun over. So then what is pronoun? Pronoun is going to take us to a very important topic. Okay, there is a word used instead of a noun. See, let me give an example. Let me take one name. Ramesh is a good boy. Ramesh is going to market right now. Ramesh is coming back from the market. Ramesh is. See, how many times I have to say Ramesh. So it doesn't look good. Yes or no? So instead of that, I am going to use a personal pronoun. What is it? He. So let me take an example. Ramesh is going home after his work. Okay. He is very tired. See, Ramesh is going home. He is very tired. Instead of Ramesh, I have used a word called as he. This is called as a personal pronoun. So what are the types of pronouns? Can you please tell me? Types of pronouns. Anyone? Types of pronouns. Anybody here? Personal pronoun. Personal. You can see there is a word called person. Vyaktigata. Person related. Person. Okay. Personal pronouns. What are these? गोतिरते निम्गे. You know this. आपको पता रहता है, but बोलने को नहीं आता. When I prepare this chart, then you will tell me, oh sir, these are the personal pronouns. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, if I write here one word, then you will start saying first person singular. You know what is it? First person singular, I. First person plural, we. These are the pronouns. Second person singular, you. Second person plural, you. What about third person? See, these are very, very important. Third person, he, she, it. He, she, it. And plural, they. These are called as personal pronouns in subjective case. In subjective case. Then what is subjective case now? So I am giving you one by one a hint. Okay, subject. Example, subject. Subject case. Subject case. What is this subject case? These are used in subject place. Subject place. Example, I am English teacher. We are good friends. You are my good friend. You are good students. He is my best friend. She is my student. It is a stylus pen. They are my students. See, all are in subject place. They are used in subject place. That's why they are called as subjective pronouns actually. So in the subject case, all are in subject case. If I ask you a question, tell me a word first person singular in the object case. In the object case, you need them, very, very important words. You need them when you do active voice, passive voice question. This is a very, very important topic, and I am going to give that chart. You by heart today only. That's it. You are going to solve active voice, passive voice questions. So the same list is going to add some more words here. Okay, some more words here. In objective case. Objective case. If I am using this first person singular I in object case, okay, singular in object place, it will be me. I have to use me. Example, this class is taken by me. This class is taken by me. See, I am using in object place. Yes or no? So that's why we use me. Okay. What about us? Us will change to object. In objective case, we will change to us. We will going to change to us. Example, in active voice, passive voice, you are going to use this word. Example, this class is learnt by us. Learnt by us. So there you are going to use this. Next, second person, okay, in objective case singular, it will be you only. Always you. Here also you. You don't need to change them. Okay. In third person singular, object case, example, he will change to him. She will change to her. It will change to it only. No changes. They will change to them. Okay. Over. Personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns in subject case. First person singular, I. First person plural, we. In object case, first person singular, me. First person plural, us. Okay. I hope you understood this list. Let me conclude this topic. This is called parts of speech. In that, I taught you what is a noun and types of nouns.